one's going?
Yeah.
Damn.
Gotta get some gas.
Alright, we gotta throw some bullshit out. Can you throw these out for me, King?
Oh.
We're on the highway right now. Huge ass bolts of lightning happening over there. So this is not what we're chasing. We're actually going through this.
Yeah.
You see on the radar here. There's some storms right here that are actually severe warning, and this is what we're seeing the big ass lightning bolts from. There was like when we first got on the highway.
Oh shit! I just got that.
Yeah, when we first got on the highway, there was like a huge one like struck for like a little while. I was like,
Badass
damn. Oh, you see that one? They're just bolts. They're dope.
Oh shit! Yeah, these fucking crazies going down like every second. Yeah, you see that shit? Damn. Yeah, it's.
I saw that on the corner of my
eye. It's crazy right now.
I seen that one kind of.
When we.
Oh my god! I saw that one.
Oh my god.
What?
So sexy.
Look at that. Getting close.
Focus.
Tornado warning just newly issued here. This one, I don't know.
Damn, it is bumpy though. Sagging tit clouds again.
It's looking like it's going to turn into a damaging wind. Oh yeah, severe thunderstorm warning this issued for that storm. 1 inch hail and 60 mile/per-hour winds. Look at the fucking shelf cloud.
Oh, holy shit.
It's getting green, by the way. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the sky is starting to turn green. Dude, look at that. That's insane. I haven't seen anything like that for a while. Come on. Yeah, they removed the tornado warning. I ain't surprised. It looked like it was... Oh, shit.
Damn. Holy shit, this road.
We're chilling. It was 35 here, apparently. God damn.
God damn.
It's green as hell in there. You see that? Oh, a tornado warning, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they just issued it.
Where at?
North.
Shit, so...
And we're going right into north. It's right north of Davenport.
Oh, okay. Damn.
You see
Continue
that?
on Illinois 92 West
Oh,
for
this is
6
a
miles.
good ass view. Yeah, it's green as shit. I mean, I'm colorblind. It looks yellow, but it's green, I guess.
Forgot your colorblind. This shitty ass road. Oh my god, it's gonna get windy as fuck. We're gonna be having trees everywhere. We're gonna have to whip through this bit. It's hailing.
Darn hail.
I wanna catch a tornado, goddamn.
Avenue West for 1 mile.
Damn it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck my car up. Fuck this shit! Dude, this stuff is some bullshit. I'm telling you. New severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, nickel size hail, goddamn. What's these blue ass lights?
Damn, what the hell?
You seen anything like this before?
No.
Yeah, I think we're going in Iowa. Fuck this shit, King. Fuck this. Being in the big city territory. Fuck this.
Welcome to Iowa.
Yeah, we're in Iowa, bitch.
go to that one?
I took the wrong ramp. Fucking bullshit. I'm mad. We were catching up to it, but fucking all time now. Okay, I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna get back out of fucking Iowa. Cause fuck Iowa. Shit pissing me off.
Yeah, fuck Iowa.
Fuck! Tired of this shit. Thankfully we're past Davenport. Fucking bullshit. Is that cool, Kane? You like truck? Why is the truck going faster than me? That's
He's gonna blow a tire.
okay. Bullshit.
Why are you laughing? You're definitely fucking recording.
I'm recording now. Look at Kane. He's all chilled out. Anyway, fat ass storm alert. We're getting into it. We're out ahead. We're probably gonna watch this one come in. Oh, there's lightning and shit over there. I just seen it. That's a storm, I believe. I don't know. We're gonna watch that bitch come in. What? What the fuck are you laughing at? Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning, by the way. Can you hold this?
No. The hell? I ain't your bitch.
I'm happy right now, Kane. I haven't been happy for a second.
Sagging tits are kind of appearing up top.
Oh shit, no, those are sagging tits. They're just a smaller version of sagging tits. Here, film the sagging tits. Nickel-sized hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. Yeah, I'll take it. Fuck it. Actually, hold on. I think we went out a little too ahead of it. Fuck. Fucking damn it. It's starting to move north. You gotta hurry. It's right there. The white mist and shit. It's all right there. And it's turning green again. I think we're gonna get out in front of it just in time.
I need to take a piss.
Well, it's too bad for right now. Do
And,
not-
like, really
no,
bad.
Just take a piss outside while it's hailing.
Do you want
I'm
my
serious.
cock to have bumps on it? Holy shit! That went blowing for us. Oh fuck no. Holy fuck.
I'm gonna stop here. Fuck it. Might start hailing in a second. Alright. Fat ass storm. Oh, there's some hail. You wanna go out in it?
No. Fuck no.
Why?
Hell no.
It's hail. Fuck that. It's all coming out my side. Yeah, we're using your fucking door.
Hell no, I'm good.
No, it's blowing the other way. Oh shit! Now the door's all wet. Fuck! Fuck this shit. What the fuck kind of storm is this? Shit's kind of ass. Okay, so this all transitioned to heavy ass rain, so kind of raced here for nothing. Shit! Look at the sun. The fucking sun's beaming through. That's,
Oh shit. No.
that's the sun on the other side. Damn. It's hailing. Sun intensifying again, looks like. We're gonna try hit it up one more time. We're about to full send it this bitch though.
Yes, sir.
Shit. Oh shit, man. Severe thunderstorm warning. Quarter size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts for this storm. So it re-strengthened. Look at that dope fucking shit over there, huh? Lightning's going. Holy shit! What is it?
Of course.
That's a dead ass horse. Bro!
Holy shit.
What the fuck? Oh shit. Nothing that's fucking hail. Oh, hear it? through the hail. Oh shit. Yeah, I drive safely. Damn, you hear that one? You hear that? We're getting some fucking hail. See how hard it's raining right now? Holy shit, I can't see the fucking thing. This shit's so bad.
Holy fuck.
Did you get that on video?
Very sure.
Alright, well, this is probably our last. Dude, Kane's fucking. Oh, son of a bitch. Not again. Fucking died. I'm about sick and tired of this shit. We should have been in that storm. We should have just stayed down by Davenport. Look at that. God damn, dude.
Alright, so this dickhead up here has cut us off 2 fucking times because Alex accidentally turned in front of him because
my
he had a
mirror's fucked
blind
up.
spot.
Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Now he's speeding up. Fucking dickhead. Alex told me to record, but I recorded on my phone.
You had it saved.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Dude, this person is keep on turning in front of us. We're trying to fucking leave. Fucking piece of shit. He's done it 2 times to us. Oh my god. All because Alex made a little mistake that this guy
I mean, I meant to tape that mirror up, but like, I fucking didn't think about it, so. I would be mad, I would understand, but like, holy fuck, you and that shit, now I don't understand no more. Look at us going back home, fucking brights on and shit behind me. On both fucking angles. Bright as fuck, like, yeah, for real. That mirror right there, you can already tell it's kind of fucked up, right? I can't see the headlights behind you. Yeah, I'm sick of driving today, guys. Fucking gas tank was fucking full. Fucking down to there now. I'm gonna have to fucking fill that back up. Fucking bullshit. Yep. So, shit. I am too.
Do you hear that shit?
I saw that shit. Alright, let's go.
Get the fuck out of here.